Hi, this is Martin Gibbons, and I very quickly want to take you through the Teen Operating Manual, TOM, and show you how it works. On the left hand side here you have your navigation, and you should just follow that in the order that it comes. And of course along the top here you have your administration navigation. I'm going to take you to probably the most important part here, which is in the users area. And in here I can explain all the key functions that you will need. Now the first thing you need to do is have each teenager complete the questionnaire and register within your account. And you do that by sending them to this URL here. So copy and paste that into a new tab. If I just show you how you do that if you haven't done so already. And just paste that. And you'll see the questionnaire appears and some basic instructions, and they complete that questionnaire and there's a short registration form at the end of that. Once they do that, they will then appear within your TOM administration area. So here's one that I've already done earlier, and you can see their name, their email, their sex, and initially the username and password will be blanked out, and then the date they registered, and right at the end you'll see allocate credit. Now obviously to allocate credits you have to have credits, and to do that you would need to buy them, of course. So if you haven't bought any credits and this says 0, in this example here it says 10 because we've already added 10 credits, but when you first get your account it may say 0. Well, very simply all you need to do is decide how many credits you want, so 1 for each teenager. You put in the number there, change that number to whatever you think you'll want. It will tell you how much that will cost you, and you simply click on add now and it will take you through the PayPal payment system. Very straightforward, very secure, very safe. PayPal deals with that, and of course with PayPal you've got money back guarantee protection there in any case. So once you have credits, once this actually says more than 0, then you can allocate those credits. And if I do that now, then I'll just tells you, are you sure you want to do that? Yes, of course we do. And what you'll now see is that their username and their password, which I imaginatively in this case used password, I would hope you would use something a bit more secure, has now appeared. So that now means that with that username and password you can access all 8 of the personality reports that you will find in the system, and I'll show you exactly how you do that now. So let's go here, and if we go to communication, that's the first one, and just open up the page. So when we scroll down to the actual teen widget, you will see here, and you simply insert that username and password for that teenager in here. This allows you to do, the reason we do it this way is that you may have several teenagers within your account, so you just use, each one will have their own username and password, and you just insert it in here for each personality report. And I say there are 8 personality reports in total within TOM. So that's it. You just simply repeat that for each user and for each different personality report. So that was communication. This one here would be how to lead and manage this particular teenager. So again, just go here and insert the username and password that appear in the table. And that's it. It's that simple. If you get stuck at all, please do use the support. Do contact us. We're more than happy to hear from you, and just open up a ticket and somebody on the team will be right there to help you as quickly as we can. I'm Martin Gibbons. Thanks for watching.